you have the power to change the political landscape of America. As I have said time and time again, if you elect me to be your priest in Congress, there are several things I will do to ensure that your needs are met day and day, out across the land. First of all, I plan on proposing new legislation that will invest more tax dollars in our public schools, not only to meet the needs of today, but to encourage developing minds for the future. Such new funding would be used to be hire and retain good teachers, build and renovate new schools, and give great tax breaks to classroom teachers. To accomplish this, I am proposing new taxes increases, or rather, are handling for our existing tax revenue to meet this demand. Now, the incumbent and his staff have been talking about this for years with real progress. I plan to change all of this now. Second, economic development is on the mind of most of us, particularly with regard to our downtown area. For many years, economic prosperity has been neglected by current government leaders, and I plan to change all of that. I am proposing a city center revitalization project that would promote new businesses, new residential areas, and new open green areas to bring people back to the heart of our city. Current leaders have allowed the new city to die, preparing to invest in sport arenas and outlying areas. And third, I am proposing the construction of light rail train system to build over the next decade. To meet the growing demand of better and more efficient transportation for years to come. My opponent and his administration have lacked the vision to long-term solutions, preparing to take a look and see a thus a short-time instance fails to consider the needs of future generations, our children, and our grandchildren. My generation doesn't want to be remembered for a road we built today but for more people. Thank you for listening and have a great day, guys.